Hi, and welcome to an Oil a Day Essentials Wellness with Carmen. I'm really glad to have you here. I'm going to be talking about hair. Well, one of the things you can do to help your hair look healthy and vibrant. And one of those things is to take care of your scalp. I've got a wonderful Scalp Buildup cleanser that I make with water, apple cider vinegar, and doTERRA essential oils. And this is a single-use recipe. So you will just make it fresh every time you're going to want to use it. This is what this is going to do, is help balance the pH levels in our hair. So what you're going to do is you're going to combine rosemary, lemon, and grapefruit. And rosemary is amazing. It helps bring in the circulation to our scalp. It helps support our hair growth. It also can help just with general health of the scalp. Grapefruit is a beautiful citrus cleanser. Again, getting in there because we're trying to clean any buildup that we might have on our scalp. And lemon does the same thing. It cleanses and breaks down the oil buildup, and it helps exfoliate our scalp. So it's kind of a scalp treatment in a bottle. This is what I do. I get one of these little squirt bottles. You can find it in the candy making or cake decorating aisle at your grocery store. So the first thing I'm going to do is put the apple cider vinegar, and that is just 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. The next I'm going to do is add my oils, and it's 8 drops of rosemary, 6, 7, 8, 6 drops of lemon, 6, and 4 drops of grapefruit oil. 2, 3, 4. And now I'm going to just swirl them around. And to this point, I'm going to add my water. And I'm going to use a funnel because there's no spout on this measuring cup. So there you go. So when I'm in the shower, actually even before I can go in, I want to have this sit in my hair. So you want to combine it. It's all combined. Put it in your hair. Let it sit for a little while. And I'm talking like 5 minutes while you're waiting, getting undressed, waiting for the water to get warm. And then go in, comb it through, kind of massage, and then rinse, and then follow up with your regular shampoo. Love this Scalp Buildup Cleanser. Thanks for watching. Find out more information. Your links are in the description box. I'm pointing down because I'm thinking that the description box is below this picture. So I will see you next time. Or did I add 4 drops? I can't remember. I don't think I did. I just started talking. And I am known for spilling. Love this scalp buildup. So, blooper reel.